What I'm going to show you now is basically how the Shapeways parts arrive and what you can expect when you unwrap a simple part. I've gone ahead and ordered some parts from Shapeways for my jar handle project, and I'm going to show you basically what they look like coming out of the box, what you can expect in terms of packaging and the shipment arrival, and just a few things like that, and then we'll review our parts and see how things came out. Okay, so here we have our Shapeways box that arrives. This is a pretty standard size box for small items. I've never ordered parts which are much bigger, so anyways, this is the jar handle project, which you're becoming familiar with as a case study in the Inventor School. So we're going to evaluate how our 3D printed parts interact with both the jar's geometry in this region here, as well as the cable tie which holds it on to the jar. Now, we've printed several prototypes before, we can get to that later, but essentially we're just going to cut into this baby here that's fresh from the post. So, trusty Swiss knife. Don't try this at home, be careful. So each shipment comes with a little sort of bill of lading, or like a record of the shipment, its shipment number, and so on. So we've got that. Plenty of packaging, bubble wrap. We've got our parts come all individually wrapped. See a little. It's got a barcode as well as a graphic representation of the part. Okay, we got a couple more parts here, so we'll review those. Nice. Just the way it should have been. Yeah. So we're just going to look at this part, how it came out versus the 3D, and basically that it fits there. Quite nicely, actually. It's working out well. And we'll check with various other jars. As you can see here, using Shapeways has allowed me to test out numerous shapes and different form factors for the jar handle, cutout geometries and shaping to the hand, as well as the interaction between the cable tie and the part itself. So double checking these fitments before we go to any hard tooling, like injection molding, I mean. So, for example, we experimented with some cutouts to improve the moldability of the part, things like that. We explored a number of shapes, and we were able to see colors as well, just for fun.